Specifically with belt buckles, there's really not a lot out there as far as buckles that are being made by hand in the United States. A lot of the mass-produced buckles are either cast or they're made really cheaply with exploited labor outside the U.S. When Eric and I were talking, it became really clear that we both value a lot of the same things in handmade objects, and it's really great when you meet someone that recognizes the same value in something that's made really well, something that's cared for. At Smithshop, we pretty much fabricate everything, in contrast to casting, where you can create multiples by pouring molten metal into a mold. So we do the opposite, which is fabricating by hand. I think the niche that we fill is that we can make a really unique and specific design for someone, and we can fabricate it all by hand, which has a really different feeling than something that is cast. Making things is really empowering, and when you look at something and you can understand how it was made, you can sort of connect with that object a little more deeply.